Top 10 free perks you can get on a cruise in 2026. Nobody talks about these. Most people think cruising is all about what you pay for, the cabin, the food package, the excursions, the upgrades. But here's the truth. No one tells you. Some of the best parts of a cruise in 2026 don't cost a single extra dollar. They're hidden in plain sight. They're rarely advertised. And many passengers disembark without ever realizing what they missed. Cruise lines quietly include dozens of free perks because they know one thing. If you discover them, your vacation feels richer, smoother, and far more memorable. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. These are the top 10 free cruise perks in 2026 that most people never use. But once you know them, you'll never cruise the same way again. Perk 1. Complimentary room service beyond just breakfast. Many travelers assume room service is either limited or overpriced. In 2026, that assumption is outdated. Aware cruises offer complimentary room service items throughout the day, not just basic breakfast. You can often order soups, sandwiches, salads, desserts, and even late-night comfort food without paying anything extra. What most people don't realize is that room service isn't just about convenience. It's about control. On port days, when you return tired, crowded, or overstimulated, eating quietly in your cabin can completely reset your mood. Some ships even allow you to pre-schedule delivery for mornings, turning your cabin into a private cafe. It's like having a quiet scene in a movie where everything slows down. No crowds, no noise, just you and the moment. Many passengers walk past this perk every day without realizing how powerful it is. Perk 2. Free entertainment that rivals paid shows anywhere else. In 2026, cruise entertainment has reached a level that competes with major city productions, and it's included. Broadway-style shows, high-tech performances, live orchestras, comedians, magicians, ice skating shows, and immersive theater experiences are all available at no extra cost. What's surprising is how few people plan around these events. Some shows require reservations, but they're still free. The production quality is so high that people often compare it to watching top-tier actors in a cinematic performance. Tight pacing, dramatic lighting, emotional storytelling. Unlike land vacations, you're not paying per ticket or choosing between options. You can attend multiple shows in one night if you want. This perk alone can save hundreds of dollars compared to entertainment on shore. Yet many passengers skip it because they assume it's just cruise stuff. That assumption couldn't be more wrong. Perk 3. Complimentary fitness classes and wellness access cruises in 2026 quietly include a wide range of wellness perks that most guests overlook. While specialty fitness programs may cost extra, many ships offer free morning stretch sessions, yoga basics, meditation classes, walking clubs, and guided relaxation workshops. These sessions are usually scheduled early in the day or during sea days, making them easy to miss if you don't check the daily planner. Beyond classes, access to fitness centers, jogging tracks, sports courts, and wellness seminars is typically included. The environment itself encourages balance, ocean views, fresh air, and movement without pressure. It's not about pushing yourself, it's about feeling better. Think of it like the training montage in a movie. Not intense, not dramatic, but quietly transformative. Perk 4. Free food experiences outside the main dining room. Most people think free food on a cruise means buffets and main dining rooms. In 2026, that's only half the story. Many ships include complimentary specialty-style venues that offer unique menus, limited seating, and elevated dining without an added charge. These can include casual bistros, international street food spots, comfort food counters, and chef-led pop-up tastings. Some ships rotate menus daily, meaning you can eat somewhere new every day without paying extra. What makes this perk special is variety. You're not locked into one dining experience. You're free to explore flavors, timing, and atmosphere on your own terms. It's like watching different genres of films back to back. Each one offers something new without asking for more money. Perk 5. Free onboard activities that replace paid excursions. Cruise ships in 2026 are floating activity hubs. Rock climbing walls, surf simulators, mini golf, zip lines, water slides, sports tournaments, trivia nights, dance classes, and interactive game shows are all included. Many travelers rush to book expensive shore excursions without realizing they can enjoy full, memorable days on board for free, especially on sea days or crowded port stops. These activities see fewer crowds during port hours, making them even more enjoyable. Some of the most memorable cruise moments happen during spontaneous onboard experiences, not planned excursions. It's like discovering a great scene in a movie you didn't expect. The surprise makes it better. Perk 6. Complimentary educational talks and skill workshops. One of the most underrated free perks in 2026 is access to expert-led talks and workshops. These can include destination briefings, cultural history sessions, wildlife education, photography basics, language introductions, and even cooking demonstrations. These sessions are often led by professionals with real-world experience, not generic presenters. What makes this perk powerful is enrichment. You're not just relaxing, you're learning, engaging, and connecting with the places you visit on a deeper level. It's the difference between watching a movie for fun and watching one that leaves you thinking long after the credits roll. Perk 7. Free cabin upgrades through smart timing and politeness. This one surprises many people. Cabin upgrades do happen, and sometimes they're completely free. In 2026, cruise lines still adjust inventory right up until sailing. Guests who check in early, ask politely at the terminal, or communicate respectfully with guest services may receive complimentary upgrades if space allows. This isn't guaranteed, but it's more common than people think, especially during off-peak seasons. Even small upgrades like better views or quieter locations can dramatically improve your experience. It's like unexpectedly getting a better seat at a show. Same performance, better perspective. Perk 8. Free celebrations for special occasions. Cruise lines love celebrations, and they often handle them at no cost. Birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, and milestones can come with complimentary cabin decorations, dessert deliveries, dining room surprises, or special mentions. Many passengers don't realize all they need to do is note the occasion during booking or inform guest services on board. These small gestures add emotional value that far outweighs their cost. They make you feel seen. And in a world where vacations can feel transactional, that personal touch matters. It's the quiet emotional beat in a story that makes everything feel real. Perk 9. Free kids, teens, and family programming. For families, this perk is massive. In 2026, most cruises offer complimentary kids clubs, teen lounges, and family activities supervised by trained staff. These programs are not babysitting. They're structured, creative, and genuinely fun. Meanwhile, parents gain free time to relax, explore, or reconnect. The value here isn't just financial, it's emotional balance. Everyone gets something they enjoy. It's like a well-cast ensemble film where every character has their moment. Perk 10. Complimentary service that elevates everything. The most powerful free perk on a cruise in 2026 isn't listed anywhere. It's the service culture, cabin stewards remembering your preferences, dining staff adjusting meals without being asked, crew members offering guidance, assistance, and kindness consistently. This level of service would be extremely expensive on land, yet it's built into your cruise experience. When you treat crew members with respect, this perk multiplies. The ship becomes smoother, friendlier, and more comfortable. It's the difference between watching a good performance and witnessing a great one. Same script, better delivery. Cruising in 2026 isn't just about where you go, it's about what you unlock. These free perks are already included in your fare, waiting quietly for those who know where to look. When you understand them, your cruise transforms from a simple vacation into a layered, rewarding experience filled with comfort, discovery, and surprise. The biggest mistake travelers make isn't overspending, it's overlooking what's already theirs. Use these perks wisely, and you'll walk off the ship feeling like you got far more than you paid for, because the best cruise secrets aren't sold, they're discovered.